What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Appreciate you, as always, coming back and checking out when we drop a new video, which means we're going to be reviewing something awesome. As you can see in front of me, I got a piece of carbon fiber. Now, some of you that are not new to the channel know I don't deal a whole lot with carbon fiber on my red bike. Now, Advent Black, biggest retailer of motorcycle body parts on the market, hands down, bar none. You guys know it. You've seen some of the videos that we've done of Advent Black's chin spoiler and the mid-frame air deflectors. Now, recently, Advent Black has released their carbon lineup, and it is stunning. It really is. Like, I'm blown away, not only about how light this tank dash is. Like, this thing has to be less than a pound. Like, it weighs nothing at all. Super nice woven carbon fiber. Very, very nice. And in comparison, you look at some of these other companies that are making a similar dash, a tank dash like this, they're charging upwards of $800. Advent Black has these on their website right now for under $400. That is a steal in comparison to what the competition is charging. And you're probably thinking, oh, it's not real carbon fiber. It is 100% pure woven carbon fiber, and it is top quality. Nice clear coat finish. I can't wait to put it on the bike and see how it looks. So when you get this kit, when you get this tank dash, it's going to come into a box, obviously, and then everything's going to be packaged individually. Your hardware is individually packaged. Your gaskets are individually packaged. And your gas cap, which you can choose between chrome or gloss black, individually packaged. Now, when you get this and take it out of the box, set it on a surface that is not going to scratch it, obviously. Put a cloth down, a towel, whatever, to make sure you're not going to scratch this up while you're putting your gasket on. And it comes in one piece, the gasket. It comes in one piece that's about this long. And you're just gonna, there's a seam down the center, and you're just going to slowly make a tear in the perforation, and then just slowly work your way down until it's two pieces. Once it's two pieces, you're going to flip it over and just carefully put your new seal on there, or new gasket on there like that, and just working your way up a little bit at a time, just kind of, you know, pinching it on and just slowly working your way up until it's all the way on. And then it comes with your hardware that you need. It comes with the bolt up here in the front. So let's go put it on the bike and see how it looks on wheel lift. I think it's gonna look fire. I think it's gonna look really good. So let's head out to the garage and go do it. All right, so I know I said that we'd be in the garage, but I lied. Because it's so beautiful outside, so warm and nice and sunny, that I wanted to show you guys just how good this carbon fiber looks out in the natural light, not under harsh, fake lighting conditions. So I'm gonna show you what we need to do. We need to get our seat off, no matter, however it is you take your seat off, get your seat removed. So we got our seat off. Next up, undoing this bolt right here. As you can see, this is right here. And next up, just gonna unscrew our gas cap. The whole thing should just lift off. Careful not to scratch up your bike. God damn, look how dirty that is under there. So while that's off, I'm gonna clean all this up. Just like that, good as new, nice and clean. And then we're just gonna do this in a reverse order. I'm just gonna lower this down. All right, so what I ended up doing was taking off my old hardware from my old tank dash and putting it on, because for some reason the other one that was supplied wasn't wanting to work for me, which isn't a huge deal. It's not unheard of. This has just already been contoured to my bike. It's probably just my bike, honestly. It's just picky. So we got that on. We're gonna put on the gas cap that they supplied with this. Just take it, screw it on. Once it stops, push down and back. Boom, flush, slick. All right, let's get the seatbelt back on, then we'll be done. All right, guys, so as you can see, we got the tank dash on. Fits very nice on the tank. It's nice and flush, looks incredible. It really does look really, really good on there. A lot better than I was anticipating carbon fiber to look on my bike. I've never really had carbon fiber parts, but I think this just started a new disease. New level unlocked. Uh-oh. It's not a good thing. So shout out to Advent Black. Again, you guys knocked it out of the park. You guys did an amazing job. Never skimp on details. That's why I always will do business with Advent Black. They were amazing, and they sent me this to do a feature on, and it doesn't mean that it persuaded my opinion. Doesn't mean that I was automatically gonna give them an awesome rating on it. If this would have sucked, I would have been honest with you guys. I would have said, you know, I don't think this would have been worth $300, $400, maybe in the $150 range at best, if it would have sucked. But that's not the case here. So take it for what it is. I know some people think that just because stuff is sent to us that we automatically lie about its quality. Maybe some people do, but that's just not how I am. I will always be honest with you guys, because at the end of the day, I am a biker just like the rest of you. An influencer, I don't even like that word. But somebody that does reviews, that is the last priority of what I am. And I will always be honest with you guys, the viewers, about products, because I personally come to videos like this to see if something is dependable, if it's worth the money. And if people are just blowing smoke up our, you know what, how are we supposed to know what's true and what isn't? So, yeah. So with that said, much love, you guys from Utah. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Until next time, we'll see you later. I'm gonna go for a ride. It's too nice out.